Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE N30 and today I would like to show you how you can access all text correction options on this DOOGEE device. Firstly, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then you need to select system over here, click on languages and input, virtual keyboard, and your currently used one, in my case, Rebirth. Finally, you can tap on text correction and as you can see, all text correction features are located here. If you want to turn on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!